Welcome to today's video. If you are someone who wants to stay strong, healthy, and keep your body protected from common illnesses, then you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about a tiny food with huge power. Sesame seeds, yes, sesame seeds. And I will also share the use of it. Those little white, black or brown seeds that you may have seen sprinkled on bread, sweets or even in chutneys. In this video, don't let their small size fool you because these seeds are loaded with nutrients that can help boost your immunity and overall health. So let's dive into it and explore the amazing benefits of sesame seeds for your immune system. Sesame seeds are tiny, but they are a powerhouse of nutrition. They contain protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals like zinc, copper, iron, magnesium, and calcium. All these nutrients play a vital role in keeping your body's defense system, your immunity strong and active. Think of your immune system as a shield that protects you from bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. And sesame seeds provide the fuel that keeps this shield strong and effective. One of the key nutrients in sesame seeds is zinc. Zinc is very important for producing white blood cells, which are the soldiers of your immune system. These white blood cells fight infections and heal wounds. A lack of zinc can weaken your immunity and make you fall sick easily. Just a handful of sesame seeds daily can help meet your body's zinc needs and keep your immune defense active. Sesame seeds also contain special compounds called antioxidants like sesamol and sesamin. Antioxidants protect your body from harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and weaken your immunity. By fighting off this damage, sesame seeds help your immune system stay strong and ready to defend you. In simple words, antioxidants act like your body's cleaning crew, removing waste and protecting your cells from stress. Our body needs fats to stay healthy. Sesame seeds contain healthy fats, especially omega-6 fatty acids. These fats support the production of immune cells and help reduce inflammation in the body. Balanced inflammation is important for immunity because too much inflammation can harm your health, while the right amount helps your body heal. So by adding sesame seeds into your diet, you are not just eating good fats, you are giving your immune system the right building blocks it needs. Iron is another nutrient found in sesame seeds. Iron helps your body make red blood cells which carry oxygen to your part of your body. Without enough oxygen, your immune system becomes weak. That's why iron is crucial, especially for women and people who often feel tired. By eating sesame seeds, you can naturally increase your iron levels and keep your energy and immunity in balance. Did you know that a healthy gut is directly linked to a strong immune system? Sesame seeds are a good source of fiber which supports healthy digestion and promotes the growth of good bacteria in your intestines. A strong digestive system makes it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and fight infections. Now I'm going to share how to add sesame seeds in daily life. It's very simple to add sesame seeds in your daily life. You can sprinkle sesame seeds on salads, soups, or stir-fried vegetables. You can use sesame seed paste, also known as tahini, in your sauces or spreads, and you can add roasted sesame seeds to rice or noodles for extra crunch. Mix them with honey for a quick energy bite, or simply chew a spoonful of roasted sesame seeds as a snack. So, viewer, sesame seeds may be small, but their benefits for immunity are big. They provide zinc for stronger defense, antioxidants to fight damage, iron for better energy, healthy fats for balanced healing, and fiber for gut health. Adding them to your diet is one of the simplest ways to naturally boost your immune system and protect your body from common illnesses. Make sesame seeds a part of your healthy lifestyle, and you'll soon notice the difference in your energy, strength, and overall well-being. And before I end this video, here is a quick note. If you are interested in smart home and kitchen gadgets, don't forget to check out the description box. There is a website link. You will find amazing Amazon products that can make your daily life easier and smarter. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.